Hello everyone, welcome. Day cheesecake recipe. 300 grams of seedless dates. Packaged Olive Nation dates will be used. Pitted and slightly dried, chopped and very good dates. Prepare 1 cup of boiling water. Add boiling water in a bowl and add the dates, mix and wait 10 minutes like this. "200 grams of biscuits, 100 grams of butter, 300 grams of labneh cheese, 200 grams of sugar-free cream, half a glass of wheat starch, 5 grams of powdered vanilla, 3 eggs, 2 spoons of strained honey, 1 bowl of walnuts, 24 centimeters cake mold." Place the baking paper in the cake tin. Grease around the cake tin, and stick the baking paper. Add the biscuits and walnuts to the mixer. Add crushed biscuits and walnuts to mixing bowl. After the dates are softened in hot water, mash them with a blender and puree. Add the melted butter to the biscuit and mix. Add 1 spoon of palm puree and mix. Add the mixture to the cake tin and smooth it with a spoon. Prepare the cheesecake base like this. Add labneh cheese. Never use cream cheese, it must be labneh cheese. Add honey. Add cream. Add vanilla powder and mix with mixer. Mix for 2 minutes and add 1 egg yolk, mix a little. Add 2nd egg yolk and mix a little. Add the 3rd egg yolk and mix a little more. Add starch, use sieve. Stir with a plastic spatula by turning from bottom to top. Add the egg white. Add some sugar and mix with mixer. After the egg whites have risen, add a little more sugar. The egg white should be a solid foam, the consistency is like this. Add egg foam. Stir slowly with a plastic spatula. This is the correct way of mixing. Take it from the bottom and make a movement to the top. Add the cheesecake mixture to the cake tin. Bake at 150 degrees for 1 hour. If you have time, let it cool like this. Edges may deflate a little downward if you remove it from the mold. You can use a whipped cream bag to add the date puree to it. You can add white chocolate on it. After it cools completely in the fridge, you can slice it and serve it. I can say it is a great cheesecake with little sugar, sweetened with dates and honey. See you again in a new video. Goodbye.